Hi everybody, how are you today? This is Sophia's Word and YouTube Quechua with you. Today we are going to talk about how are we going to talk about? Yes, of course. This is Achahala. In English, the alphabet. We are going to see for each letter some vocabulary. Here we have for the first a, aihu, aihu. Also anka, anka. We are going to continue with the next vocabulary, cha, cha. We have chaiwa, chaiwa. The other vocabulary, chaki, chaki. This is chaki, this is chaiwa. Okay, the next letter is ha, ha. We have here hampatu, hampatu. This is hampatu. We have to hook, hook, the number one, hook. The next letter is E, E. We have here inti, inti, and we have iskai, iskai with the letter E. The next one is ka, ka. For ka, we have the vocabulary kuchi, 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 this is kuchi. And we have Kiya, Kiya. This is Kiya. Okay. We have here the next vocabulary letter, La. This is La. For example, Lawa, Lawa. We have here Lirpu, Lirpu. The next letter is Ya. Ya. The pronunciation is Ya. Okay, we have here Yika, Yika, and we have Llama, Llama. We continue with the letter Ma, Ma. We have here Manca, 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 and we have Misi, Misi. Okay, we continue with next, Na. The first one, Nina, Nina. And the other one, Nanai, Nanai. Okay, we continue with the next letter. This is Nya. We are going to read as Nya. The first one, Nyuha, Nyuha. The other one is Nyawi, Nyawi. Okay, we have the next letter, Pa, Pa. We have Punku. This is Punku, Punku. And we have Pichana, Pichana. That's it. The next letter is Ha, Ha. We are going to read as Ha. Okay, we have here Hiyu, 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 the color. And we have Huihi, Huihi, this one. The next letter, Ra, Ra. This is Ra. We have here as a vocabulary Rikra, Rikra, okay? And Rapi, Rapi. Next one, Sa, Sa. We read as Sa. We have the first Sua, Sua, and the next Sacha, Sacha. The next one, Ta, Ta. We have, for example, Tuta, Tuta, and we have Diana, Diana. That's it. The next one is U, U. Vocabulary, Uchu, Uchu. And for the other one, Utulo, Utulo. The next letter, Wa, Wa. Okay, we have wasi, 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 and wawa, wawa. That's it. We have the last letter here, ya, ya. For that, we have yana, yana, and yuyah, yuyah. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Anyay. See you soon. Tupanan chikama.